Hello, fellow foodies! Welcome to our channel where we share mouth-watering recipes that are sure to satisfy your taste buds. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Today, we're whipping up a delicious cheesecake. It's as creamy as it is simple, needing just 5 ingredients and a quick 10-minute stint in the oven. We're talking cream cheese, condensed milk, tennis biscuits, lemon juice, and margarine. So, are you ready to whip up a creamy, delectable cheesecake? Great! Make sure to stick around till the end. Now, let's dive right into the recipe. Start by preheating your oven to 180 degrees. While it's heating, let's get our hands a little dirty. Grab those tennis biscuits. It's time to give them a good old-fashioned crush. You can use a rolling pin or even a wine bottle, whatever works for you. The aim is to get them to a crumb-like consistency. Once that's done, it's time to melt your margarine. A quick zap in the microwave should do the trick. Now, combine the melted margarine with your freshly crushed biscuits. Stir them well until they're all buddy-buddy. Next, let's move on to our dish. Any dish of your choice would work, but make sure it's one that can handle the heat. Spoon your biscuit and margarine mixture into the dish, pressing it down using the back of the spoon to form a solid crust. This will be the delicious base of our cheesecake, so make sure it's firm and even. Now, onto the creamy part. In a separate bowl, add your plain cream cheese and condensed milk. Time to bring out the big guns, your electric mixer. Mix well until the two are completely combined and inseparable. This is where your cheesecake gets its creamy texture, so don't shy away from mixing. Next up, add the lemon juice to your cream cheese and condensed milk mixture. Mix well again with your electric mixer. The lemon juice not only adds a nice tang to your cheesecake, but also helps to achieve that smooth consistency we're aiming for. Once you're satisfied with the consistency, pour the mixture over your prepared crust. Spread it evenly to ensure every bite is as delicious as the last. Once everything is mixed well and the crust is ready, pop it into the preheated oven and bake for 10 minutes. Yes, you heard it right, only 10 minutes. We want to keep it light and fluffy, not overbaked. Stay tuned for the next scene where we'll be cooling and serving this delicious cheesecake. After 10 minutes, take your cheesecake out of the oven. Now comes the hard part, waiting. Let your masterpiece cool at room temperature. No need to rush, patience is a virtue, especially in baking. Once it's cooled down, it's time for the refrigerator. This is when your cheesecake truly comes into its own. The refrigerator works its magic, setting your cheesecake into that creamy, dreamy texture we all love. While you're waiting for it to set, why not think about toppings? Strawberries, berries, caramel, the choices are limitless. Be creative, make it your own. Remember, a cheesecake is like a canvas, and you're the artist. Once your cheesecake is set, it's time to serve. Whether you're sharing with friends or having a little me time, nothing beats the first bite of a homemade cheesecake. And there you have it, a delicious, creamy cheesecake ready to be enjoyed. And that's it, folks. A simple, quick, and absolutely delicious cheesecake recipe. All it takes is 5 ingredients and 10 minutes in the oven. Remember, you start by creating a crust with crushed biscuits and melted margarine. Then you combine cream cheese and condensed milk. Add in some lemon juice and spread it over your crust before baking. Once cooled, the world is your oyster with toppings. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notification so you never miss a recipe. And if you enjoyed this video, please share it to help our channel grow. Happy baking!